I make money with Instagram. Like, I make a lot of money with Instagram. Yet, I'm not an influencer. And why is it that influencers only make $40,000 to $100,000 per year on average? That's such an average number. So if I'm not an influencer, and maybe you're not an influencer either, how can you make money with Instagram? In this video, I'm going to be talking about 10 ways that you can start making money with Instagram. And we're just going to get straight into it, starting out right now. So this is just one of my merchant accounts, and you can see all of these transactions are from 2018 and this year so far in 2019. Now, I use two merchant accounts specifically to process all of my Instagram income. You're looking at just one of them, and I've already done $537,000 in the last 18 months on just this one merchant account with Instagram. So the way that I make money with Instagram is several different ways. I'm going to be giving you going over 10 of the best ways that I've found to make money with Instagram in this video. And this is only about half of the income for the year that I've made with Instagram. You don't have to be an influencer. If you are, I'm going to be able to give you some more tips and shed some light on some things you can start implementing to increase the amount of revenue that you're making, because unfortunately, most influencers get paid $40,000 to $100,000 per year, like Instagram influencer income. If I Google that right now, let's see what it is. Okay, $200 per post, 88. Okay, if I type in average income for influencer, okay, let's see, 30 to 60, maybe 40 to $100,000. That's not that much, and that's why I think the term influencer is used too much. I think that it's such a vague term. Oh, what do you do for? I'm an influencer. Like, what does that even mean? What are you influencing? Because let's face it, there's a lot of models on Instagram that are like, look, here's my butt, and if you want me to take a picture and give you a shout out, it's $1,000. There's no substance to that business model or that brand. It's lack of substance, lack of branding. It's not even a business. So let's get into the 10 ways that you can make money using Instagram. And I'm gonna pop this up right now. Now, you see this here, there's 10 ways right here, paid campaigns, IMA, e-com, etc. There's 16 ways that I've found to be able to make money with Instagram. Of the 16, and I'm sure there's more, there's 16 that I've found to be able to make 5 figures per month. I'm never gonna be that guy that goes, look, here's what I'd suggest, and not having done it myself. I'm not a believer in not practicing what you preach. So, paid campaigns, have I made 5 figures per month with them? Yes. Instagram marketing agency, I make 5 figures to 6 figures per month every month with that. E-commerce, yes, doing it now. CPA marketing, when that was my focus, I used to do some of that. Affiliate marketing, not really my focus anymore. Did I do 5 figures per month with it? Yes. And I figured out how to do it, and I gave back to the community and taught how. So these are some of the things that you're gonna be learning in this video on making money with Instagram, all right? Really quick, what I wanna know from you guys is, what is your biggest struggle, not necessarily with Instagram, but when it comes to making money online or scaling online business in general? What's your biggest struggle? Go ahead and drop it in the comments below. I'm gonna reply to every single one of those. So I wanna know from you guys. High ticket closing, something I actively do now. My sales team does for me on the products and services that we sell. So yes, 5 figures there. Personal branding. My brand is my brand. Like, I am not an e-commerce brand. I'm not, a Walmart with no face behind it. I'm not a 76 station. I'm not a car wash. Like, my brand is my brand. So has my personal brand made me 5 figures per month? Yes, especially with Instagram. Selling traffic, that's huge also. Now, I don't do so much of that anymore for other people. Did I make 5 figures per month with it with Instagram? Yes. Ad management, that's huge. That's part of what you can do as an agency offering services and content creation. So we're gonna dive into these right now, okay? So paid campaigns, what is paid campaigns? A lot of people would refer to that as shout outs. I think most influencers, whether they're amateur or if you wanna call them a professional influencers, they refer to it as a shout out. That's the non-technical, unprofessional term. A shout out is a one-time thing. Post this, I'll tell people to follow you. Paid campaigns is where you're actually offering a service. Look, here's what I'm gonna do. I know the analytics of my post. I know which creatives, which colors are gonna be best. I know which times are gonna be the best to post. I know how we need to formulate this caption. I know the hashtags we need to use. Here's my package. We can do 7 post videos. I can put it on IGTV. I can plug my stories. I can put a link in bio. I can also plug this here with my feed. We can do a carousel, and I can do 7 of these, 10 of these, here's my rates every single month, 3-month retainer, okay? That's why influencers make $40,000, $60,000 per year, because they don't understand business usually. They don't get that. So there's such a void there, and I really want to exploit that term influencer because it means society's been given it a meaning of little to nothing. All right. So paid campaigns, IMA, Instagram marketing agency. This is a retake on having a marketing agency. I find that having a specialization rather than going, look, I'm going to do your Facebook, I'm going to do your YouTube, I'm going to do this. I find if we restructure that just a little bit, so it looks like this. For example, if we're a regular agency, we say we're going to do Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. And here's a client that's interested in stuff, and we plaster them with all this stuff. Here's what we're going to do. It can cause confusion for the client. Don't give them 10 different options. Give them one option. Also for yourself, mastering this, and this all at the same time, you're spreading your time and the tasks that you need to do across multiple things, because within each one of these, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Google, Tumblr, Twitter, whatever, there's so many little sub-entities, sub-parameters that you gotta be able to fill in. So what I find is a lot better is to focus where the people are. Where are the people? What's the highest engaging platform in the world? It's Instagram. That's why I make money with Instagram, and it's done so well for me. So what I do is I'm gonna lead with IG. I'm gonna keep it simple. And if I wanna bring into the funnel, content creation, if I wanna bring into the funnel management, if I wanna bring into the funnel, you know what? We'll do some ads for you. We'll post Instagram ads on your Instagram feed from Facebook, and I accurately and efficiently bring that in as my service or as part of my business model. Then it starts making sense, and I can segue, but I keep everything aligned rather than spreading everything out. And so that's your Instagram marketing agency. Services I might offer in there are managing your account and doing some real organic growth for you, guaranteeing X amount of followers or something like that, much like Leo Hamada's done. And where, he might charge $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 per month to get you XYZ amount of followers, work for a 3-month commitment, contract you, boom, deliver the service. And so that's huge, all right? Especially when you're able to deliver real results, real followers, targeted, monetizable followers. Help your clients generate intellect. Maybe you're doing some content curation. Maybe you're doing some editing. You outsource some of that to one of your team members. You build a company that way. And then CPA and affiliate marketing. We'll talk about that. Hey, if you're liking this video so far, finding a little bit of this information useful, once again, subscribe, smash the like button right now. It looks like that. It's a thumb. It's one of these. Make sure you take care of that. Really appreciate that, because if I don't have you guys, if you're not my audience, I don't have a company, and I want to be able to give back to you guys. That's why I make these videos every single day. That's why I'm looking to even inspire one of you guys with the content that I put out to help you get your business to the next level. I did $50 million in sales in the corporate world. Now I'm doing it online for myself. Now I'm giving back to you guys, and that's my goal. So it's humbling to me, and it helps me to know that I'm helping you. So show the love. Appreciate you smashing that like button. CPA and affiliate marketing are kind of one and the same. CPA stands for cost per acquisition. So that means that you don't actually have to generate a sale. You can become essentially an affiliate of a product that's going to pay you each time you generate a lead. So you're making a post on Instagram, you're going out and you're networking. Hey, I think that you'd probably like this, Bob. Send that to Bob. Bob clicks on that, opts in. That company's going to pay you simply for Bob becoming a lead. Maybe you're running some ads and you're generating clicks, and those clicks become leads, and you get 20 leads, and that company's going to pay you $3 a lead, and you're doing that every single day. Well, then there's $60 a day, for example. Starting off small and you scale it. Maybe you're making natural posts, doing carousels, hiding something in there, turning it into a presentation, and then somebody kind of treat the carousels like a PowerPoint almost, or like a presentation. It strikes up interest. People click the link in your bio, they opt into that product you're a CPA affiliate of, and then boom, you get paid for the lead. Whereas affiliate marketing, the person's got to go from clicking the link to opting in to having enough interest in being sold on the system, sold on the product, okay? And then actually buying. And that comes down to that product you are an affiliate of, having a very good sales funnel that does the selling, and you working those leads and following up and retargeting them and incentivizing them to actually buy, right? And then you get paid a commission. That's huge. I was able to do a drastic amount. I think my record day on Instagram and affiliate commissions was $8,600 for a high ticket affiliate marketing company that had several levels of products ranging from $500 to $32,000. And I had posted this video. I basically took a viral video, and I'm going to be making a video on this in the next couple days here for you guys as well. So I will be posting that. Be looking for this, all right? I took a viral video and I put some of my own text over it and I posted it. It got 512,000 views. I was able to generate like 2,000 clicks, a bunch of leads, and then 7 people bought. And it's not like there were tons of buyers, like it converted at 0.06% or 0.6%. It was really low. But the reality is the people that bought spent anywhere from $2,000 to $32,000, thus making me $8,700 in commissions off of one single post that day. And it was so random because I posted it at like 7:53 p.m. All right. You got high ticket closing. You got to remember all of these. This is huge. So if you are a high ticket closer for a company, all right, a little bit different than affiliate marketing. I've had people that have approached me, said, Ben, I want to close for you. And I have a client, or I have a salesperson hiring process. They take the DISC assessment, they send me their elevator pitch, and I make the decision whether or not I want to bring them on, okay? They're closing anywhere from $1,000 to $30,000 deals, and they're making commissions, and they'll earn anywhere from a couple $100s to a few $1,000s per deal that they're closing. So whether you're doing that and going out there and approaching a company and then coming into the depths of Instagram and finding the people that are in that niche that are clearly putting in a lot of effort, you know, like maybe you have your own product that is high ticket and you've got people working for you and you want them to be able to go get more deals. Well, other than, you know, the typical cold calling and all that stuff that people will talk to you about and everything, a really great effective way is whether you are the high ticket closer for another company or you have people that are doing high ticket closing for you, or maybe you're, you know, a coach for another company, maybe you've put together your own digital product or service or mentorship program and you're trying to close. What you do is you go on Instagram and you find people that are in that niche. So for example, if you are maybe, you are a nutrition coach, okay? Like you're a nutrition and fitness coach, workouts, meal plans, and things like that, okay? You scour Instagram for those people that clearly have a high level of interest in fitness. They're posting all the time, they're always running, they're doing workouts and all that stuff, but you can tell they're so persistent, they're so consistent, and they're so dedicated, but they're not getting results off the information they currently have because they don't have a six-pack, they've been doing it for 2 years, they don't eat right, you're looking at but they're very passionate about it. You're striking up conversation with them, building a relationship, and closing them on your big package, all right? That's how you can make 5 figures per month with Instagram, all right? And then you get into personal branding. Obviously, it's huge because all of this can be umbrellaed under a personal brand. Hey, once again, another thing that I want to make sure that you guys get a hold of here is I've included some links in the description. If you want to get in on my Instagram Masterclass, learn from the exact same training that's trained the top Instagram marketing earners in the game, then I also have included a link in the description on that. And make sure to give me a follow as well. There's a few links in the description for you. Join the Masterclass, attend. You're gonna get a sneak peek at my premium training that we normally charge $59.97 for to individuals and corporations. Okay, you're gonna get a sneak peek at that, and you will also have an opportunity to join at a discount that I think it's like 1/6 of that price. You get about 80% off, okay? So huge, massive discount there as well. So make sure you get registered for that web class, attend, do some learning on there, and then if you want to take advantage of that opportunity, feel free to do so. My SoundCloud podcast is below as well. Make sure to give me a follow at Ben Oberg so you can continue learning from me there on Instagram and seeing what I do to close deals. So I have a personal brand. So when it comes to making money with Instagram, I do a lot of stuff with my personal brand. I've got over 100,000 followers, and of course I've had the ups and downs where engagement's gone up, engagement's gone down. I've been shadow banned recently. I've had this awesome thing where Instagram actually has chosen to eliminate or basically deflate exposure on my account, and I've had to reach deep with hashtags, with ads, with other strategies, with influencer marketing, right? To be able to get my engagement back up. But the reality is when you have a personal brand, people see you as you're putting that content out and you put it out consistently enough, they see you as a powerhouse. They come to you. I had somebody in my DMs yesterday that was like, yo, we've grown 170,000 on one of our fitness channels, 200,000 on another fitness account, and their personal brand. It's not like repost. So like there's a lot of money in that, and they've grown 200K on YouTube. And they're like, we just want to do this for now and offer this free shit. And I'm like, what the fuck's wrong with you? Like, why would you do that? No. You need to monetize now. okay? People are following you because you've earned their respect and they love the value you're providing. You put a funnel up, a free offer, an OTO, a one-time offer, you monetize that stuff, you create a break-even funnel, and you spend ads on that funnel so you can build your email list, build your customer base for free, and then upsell them to your paid programs, your courses, your apps, your mentorship, whatever from there. And you're like, you know what, I never thought of it that way, and you're completely right. Yes, like, you should be paid, especially if you're going out there and providing not perceived value, but actual value in the world. Personal brands make a lot of money with. And we've got ads management, okay? You take an agency like Cardone Kern, right? Frank Kern, we do a lot of social posting for. He's Grant Cardone's partner. We do a lot of stuff with Instagram for him, especially Facebook and YouTube. And Cardone Kern will charge $2,800 a month, where they manage your campaigns, they create the ads, they manage, they monitor them, they edit them, etc. Now, when you're a business that, you know, you've got even something small like $10,000 a month or more with ad spend, all right, and you're paying that plus $2,800 a month, you're generating a positive ROI. To have experts that, you know, Frank's done like 20 million in a day on launches before. Okay, to have experts like that facilitating your campaigns and you're only paying $2,800 a month, pretty even exchange of value compared to, wouldn't you agree, paying $40K per year for a 4-year college degree to make $47,000 per year and work 40 years, get a gold watch, retire, and then die in an assisted living place after traveling around the United States in a motorhome for 5 years. Okay, pretty good exchange of value. Agencies will charge anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500, $2,500, $5,000 a month for ads management. That $2,000, $3,000 spot is huge. So when you can be producing winning campaigns, winning ads, helping consult, monitor, maybe even create some level in the ads management category, there's a lot of money to be made with Instagram in that ads management category. And then you've got content creation. A lot of people that make money with Instagram are coming out to people like me and reaching out to people like me and like, look, Ben, let me make your infographics. Let me edit your videos, okay? If you see an ROI from them, all right, then we can talk about starting to get paid. You know, I spend a couple $1,000s per month on editing for YouTube videos, for Facebook ads, for Instagram, for all that stuff. So it's worth it to me. So you approach entrepreneurs that, you know, they're growing, they're putting content out there, reach into their DMs, email them, call them, whatever, and start getting to doing that content on Instagram for them. It's not just what you make with inside the account, but the whole marketplace that Instagram has to offer you. It's what I highly recommend. And once again, guys, hey, I want to know in the comments, what's your struggle when it comes to your online business or the one that you're trying to start? Smash the like button. Make sure you pick up my SoundCloud podcast. Make sure you follow there. Give me a follow on my Instagram at Ben Oberg and get yourself into the Instagram Masterclass, okay? You can pick a date, pick a time, but you do need to attend, okay? Limited spots on there, links in the description. Appreciate you guys being on here, and I hope you learn, and I'll see you in the next video.